Кукошка.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about storing two numbers into 128-bit register. So just two parts, 60 bits, 64 bits low and high part. Instructions that store this number into that register, then moving the low part of XMM0 and then the second number, which will be in the upper 64 bits. Then there is a buffer which is 16 bytes in order to store 128 bits. I want to print the buffer into stdout, and these instructions make exactly that, and then exiting with syscall and setting the appropriate instructions. So let's see the assembling of the files. Here I have all of them by using this assembly format of 64. The file assembly output, and here are the locations of this object to make the executable with the compiler. This option should be used because of the using direct addressing, and there should be no position independent executable, and the object file and the executable. So I print it inside some example file test, and by using hexdump to see in hexadecimal the number stored in test file. And as you can see here, the first part and the second part, if I use only the executable, would print this one, but I want to see the hexadecimal numbers, how they are stored, and they match exactly. So basic usage of this register to store these numbers and just store it in example binary file. If you have some suggestions, let me know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye bye.